Well done, man.
Well done.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
See, now get what's it called? CD.
Which movie?
No be more figure. CD. That's it that they used to do. I'm sorry, I don't want to talk about.
Okay, condom.
Condom.
You get them?
We are bringing one packet.
800.
How much?
800.
800 for condom. Which condom?
800 they sell.
You say they want me.
Now 800 and they sell.
Now like that, 800. No, I go use nylon. Do waiting. I want to take.
Oh yeah, now go. Did you give me a price for all this?
Hello. How are you? My name is Brashagi, number one fan boy, Melody Pong. And I see you are irresponsible. I want to pay for all the things you buy.
Oh, you want to pay? Okay, good. Wait. Can I get that perfume right there, please?
Okay, you want to have perfume?
Of course.
This
Yeah, buy perfume.
How much is it, Mom?
52,000.
Two.
How much?
52,000.
52,000. It smells
good.
It smells good.
Can I get a new price?
Say, you sure that I want to buy that perfume because you haven't seen that perfume. It look like you have expired.
Everything is 56,700.
56,000
700.
for all the things that she buy.
Yes.
Is she buying baskets?
No.
Don't touch me. I get Ebola. Don't touch me. Hold on. Say you have. I'm coming. Say you have. You have CNN.
Baby, where
Good look.
Where are you going?
Yeah, my bad. Hello, no,